up, everyone? Scotty Hop here. It is raining in Maryland right now, but we are still driving the Corvette. Today we're going to go over 5 reasons why you should buy a C6 Corvette if you're thinking about it. Whether it be the base model like I have, the Z06, the Grand Sport, or even the ZR1. The ZR1 is slightly a stretch, but these are all 5 basic reasons, so I think it applies to all of them. So let's get this video started. Here's the first reason why you should buy a C6 Corvette, and that is, obviously you guys knew it was coming, the way it looks. I mean, you cannot go wrong with the C6 body style. This is the base, so it has the narrower quarter panels, front fenders, and all that, but even the base model looks very aggressive in its stock form. This is the first generation where they got rid of the pop-up headlights. If you do get a C6, you're probably gonna have to replace these lenses because, as you can tell with mine, it's all foggy and cracked. It's pretty common in these cars. But the body style itself looks extremely aggressive. When it's driving down the road, everyone knows that it's a Corvette because there is no other car that looks like it. Got some really nice body lines, as you can see, like right here, going down the side up to the front fender vents. I really like that. The removable targa top, and then of course the tail lights are iconic as well. They got rid of the circle tail lights with the C7, but every generation before that had the circle tail lights. And yeah, everyone knows that back end, so cannot go wrong with the looks of the C6. Also has the quad exhaust pipes, which is super aggressive in itself. But just take a look at this car. It's a very beautiful car. No matter which color you get, I just love this body style. Like I was saying, there's no other car that looks like the C6 Corvette. The second reason why you should buy a C6 Corvette is what's underneath the hood. From 2005 to 2008, you'll get the LS2 engine, but from 2008 and up, you'll get the LS3, unless you get the Z06 or ZR1. But this is the powerhouse of the Corvette. This is the LS3 because my Corvette is a 2011. This puts out 436 horsepower to the crank, and then that puts out a 0 to 60 time of 4.1 seconds, which is ripping for the price range of this car. Of course, mine's dirty because I've been driving it a whole bunch, actually. I need to wash it, but it has a huge front end to fit the massive 6.2 liter LS3. This thing will spin tires like no other and will definitely keep you on your toes if you're not paying attention. The roads are a little wet, but for daily driving, this car is still easy to drive. You just obviously can't be flooring it all the time when the roads are cold or tires aren't warmed up. One downside of this though is that you will always be getting gas. 20 miles per gallon. You'll be here quite often because you always want to be driving your Corvette too. As the third reason is a reason that I don't see listed on very many other YouTube videos, but if you're daily driving this car, it's very important. You know, you're gonna need a whole bunch of trunk space. Whether you're picking up groceries, going golfing, or doing any other activities, I pick up groceries in this all the time. And also, I fit, you know, 2 bags of golf clubs in here with lots of room left over. You could probably fit four bags of golf clubs in here. This obviously flies out. Got my camera gear in here right now. I also have these 2 compartments. Store even more stuff. I just got a little bit of, you know, interior cleaning wipes. And I think this one's empty. At least it should be empty because I haven't put anything in there. Yep, nothing in there. So you got quite a bit of room to store whatever you want. If you're driving this every day, you're gonna need that. So I know some sports cars don't have that much room. It also has a lot of room. You're not squished or anything. It's a great road trip car. Taken on like 2 pretty long drives so far, with no issues whatsoever. The third reason why you should buy a Corvette for daily driving purposes would have to be its trunk space. These are to put the target top on top. Even with the target top, I was still able to fit my golf clubs underneath it, so that's a definite plus with this car. The fourth reason why you should buy a C6 Corvette is its drivability. This car is super easy to drive, especially mine since it's an automatic. You know, you can hate all you want in the comments all about that, I know. But it's super easy to drive. It rides very smooth. I've taken this car on long road trips, and it handles bumps, turns, you know, everything very well. Obviously, it's not the best handling car that you could buy. When you're driving around, like I said, everyone's going to be looking at you. You know, that's a downside or an advantage depending on who you are or what you like, but everyone's going to be looking at this car. The power is very smooth. You know, there's not much else to say except it's a very easy car to drive. The fifth reason why you should buy a C6 Corvette is the brand itself. Have a Corvette and someone asks what do you drive, you don't have to say like, you know, I drive a Kia Rio or a Hyundai Sonata. You can just say I drive a Corvette. They got Corvette merchandise for everything. They got Corvette bed sets, Corvette coffee mugs, Corvette shirts. Everything you could possibly get has been made with the Corvette logo on it. So the fifth and final reason why you should buy a C6 Corvette is for the Corvette brand itself. Thanks a lot for watching. I know this was a quick video, but I just wanted to spit out 5 reasons why you should buy a C6 Corvette if you're thinking about getting one. Stay tuned for my next videos. You know, I got a lot of videos planned with this car, but keep an eye out. And yeah, thanks a lot for watching my video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Peace.